Welcome back, guys. It is day 4 of the Netherlands adventure. Also, I don't think I've showed you guys yet. This is the Ibis budget we're staying at behind me there. Schiphol Airport Ibis budget. Didn't pay that much for it. I think it was possibly £70 between us because we bought a room for 3 people and split the cost between the 3 of us. Today we are going to get the train to Utrecht, another city in the Netherlands, explore Utrecht for a few hours or so, then head on back over north of Amsterdam to Zaanstad, something like that I think it is, the windmill place, and see all the flower fields and stuff. Very Dutch. Those are the rough ideas we have planned. Let's see how today pans out. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of enjoying myself right now because the others have got on a shuttle bus to the airport. They're gonna get the train to Utrecht from the airport. They left us behind because I was taking a bit longer getting my camera stuff in and Santi was having a shower and stuff. So we have now decided to set off. I just texted them saying, meet you at Utrecht Central in an hour. They're not expecting this, they're expecting to meet us at the airport until I texted that. I'm now treating this like a race. We're racing to Utrecht. We are going over to the bus station over here. Instead of getting shuttled to the airport, we're going over to a bus station, catching a bus from Knoepen, however you say it, over to Amsterdam Bultema Arena, the same station which you use for the Johan Cruyff Stadium. And then we're getting the train from there direct to Utrecht Central, and it should only take 40-45 minutes according to the apps and timetables. But yeah, I'm really treating this like a race now and I'm invested in this because it's kind of fun. I want to beat them there. So which platform gets us to the Bultema Arena? We were wanting to get on one of these Dutch double-storey trains, and now we've done it on the way to Utrecht. On the second story now. That's Bultema Arena Station. Yeah. Well. So we are here in Utrecht. We got off the train at Utrecht Central, as you would have seen. We've made our way over via a bubble tea place, of course, to this main square behind this church here, and the big tower, the church there, and the big tower up behind me, which is currently being renovated with scaffolding on. So yeah, we don't really get to see that, but shot a couple of hyperlapses, getting some clips of the travel video. So yeah, exploring Utrecht. The only thing is, we don't have connection to the internet. I don't know why, but my roaming isn't working. Neither is Tony's. So we're a bit stuck trying to figure our way around a foreign city without the internet connection, asking locals and stuff. So a bit of an adventure, more of an adventure here in Utrecht. Train behind me. We are still in Utrecht. That's the tram actually. Yeah, we're probably going to leave Utrecht soonish. Texted the others, they haven't responded yet, but again a bit bored. Well, not exactly bored, but like we've done the square, got a couple of hyperlapses, done all we need to do in Utrecht, the little bit we had planned today, and I want to get to Zandschan. Can't remember the name of whatever it's called. Zandschan? I don't know. The windmill and flower place. So I would like to get that done today, in which case we'll have to go soon because it's like probably beyond 3 now, and sunlight only lasts for a certain amount of time. So making our way towards the central station. Hopefully the others will join us. Thoughts on Utrecht, really nice city. Got like the modern skyscraper area over here, the business, what I assume, area. And then over there, on this building, you have all the picturesque, nice canals, nice Dutch styled houses, and obviously a big church, the central square, and all that kind of stuff. So you have the two very different vibes, which a minute's walk from each other. Really good for photography as well in that sense. Yeah, really nice city, as I have found with every place in the Netherlands I've been to this week. We are now at Zandschan station. Going to go and look for the flower fields and windmills. What the trains look like. Yeah, I've just looked up photos online. Now I'm really excited. Time is getting on, it's after 5 o'clock now, but that might make for a really cool sunset over a really Dutch picturesque scene. So yeah, it'll be fun. No clue where we're heading right now, but I knew it smelled like chocolate everywhere here. Really nice looking Dutch town, this. Not the urban built up cities that we've been seeing, but like more just very Dutch style houses. Plain, lovely flowers here. Nice little town. Change of scenery.
Is it gonna go? I hear it running through my blood. If you feel it, then I don't stand a chance.
This is what I was wanting to see. Proper windmills all around the river over there. Proper, well, very Dutch, isn't it? And one right behind me there. Sun's perfect level in the sky as well right now. Just getting towards sunset. It's picturesque, really. Look at that.
Don't stand there.
As you will have all undoubtedly seen, we have been in Zandschan's village, which is a village over there, surrounded by these windmills, which is supposed to show you like the working lives of people, maybe, I don't know, nowadays, or at least in the past, like in the farms in Holland, in these traditional style houses with these windmills. There used to be 300 windmills here, apparently, according to Google. However, only a handful remain around this river, as you will have undoubtedly seen. captured a lot of B-roll and brilliant shots. I'm so proud of lots of the stuff I got here. I've been shooting constantly for the past hour or two. I don't know how I haven't gone through as many batteries as I have with me. Yeah, absolutely loved every moment in this village. So picturesque, brilliant to take photos of and film. Now I guess we're going to find somewhere to have dinner and head back to the hotel near the airport in Amsterdam. And then tomorrow will be our final day here.